Hello! You have done the right thing by choosing MAXLIFE FLEXY Wealth Plus plan. This plan will set you on a path of fulfilling your and your family's financial goals. FLEXY Wealth Plus has two variants, the Wealth variant and the Whole Life variant. There are 3 bands for the annualized premium under this plan. Note, for explaining the plan here, we will take up the FLEXY Wealth Plus Whole Life variant with annualized premium band 2. Now, let me help you understand the plan with an example. Meet Mr. Sharma, a 35 years old businessman who has invested in the MAXLIFE FLEXY Wealth Plus plan. He pays Rs 1,50,000 as annualized premium every year for 7 years, which is his selected premium payment term. His policy term is 65 years. At maturity, he gets the maturity amount equal to the fund value. In case of an unfortunate event of his death during the term of the policy, his nominee will receive the sum assured of Rs 15 lakh or the fund value of 105% of total premiums paid, whichever is higher. Mr. Sharma has the following 5 investment strategies to choose from. Self-managed portfolio strategy gives Mr. Sharma the following fund options to choose from. Mr. Sharma also has access to the following flexibility options. There are additions associated in this plan to boost up your fund value. Guaranteed loyalty additions, payable as a percentage of total fund value. As per example, that Mr. Sharma will be eligible for guaranteed loyalty addition of 0.25%. Guaranteed wealth boosters, payable as an additional percentage of fund value. As per example, that Mr. Sharma will be eligible for a guaranteed wealth booster of 2%. Return of mortality charges. At the end of the policy term, on the maturity date, the total amount of mortality charges deducted in respect of life cover provided throughout the policy term will be added back as ROMC to the fund value as applicable. Also, Mr. Sharma has 15 days to review the terms and conditions of the policy. In case he is not satisfied and decides to cancel, the policy will terminate. If Mr. Sharma does not pay premium during the lock-in period of 5 years, upon the expiry of the grace period, the fund value would automatically be credited into the discontinuance policy fund. And the policyholder can either revive the policy within the revival period or surrender the policy. If Mr. Sharma chooses to surrender his policy, he will be paid the proceeds of the discontinuance policy fund at the end of the lock-in period and the policy shall terminate. If he does not exercise any of these options, his fund value in the discontinuance policy fund will be paid to him upon the expiry of the lock-in period and terminate the policy. If Mr. Sharma chooses to revive his policy but does not revive, the proceeds of the discontinuance policy fund will be paid to Mr. Sharma at the end of the revival period or lock-in period, whichever is later. If Mr. Sharma does not pay the premium during post-lock-in period, the policy shall be immediately and automatically converted into a reduced paid-up policy. In such discontinuance, we will within 3 months of the first unpaid premium give a written notice informing of the status of the policy and provide the options to revive the policy within the revival period or surrender the policy without any risk cover. If Mr. Sharma chooses to surrender his policy, the fund value shall be immediately paid to him and the policy shall terminate. If Mr. Sharma does not exercise any of these options, the policy will continue to be a paid-up policy, and at the end of the revival period, we will pay the fund value and terminate the policy. If Mr. Sharma chooses to revive his policy but does not revive, we will pay the fund value at the end of the revival period and terminate the policy. At any time during the policy term, you have the right to surrender the policy by advising the company in writing. For the various charges applicable under this plan, please refer to the policy contract. Mr. Sharma also has access to the self-service options available on our website. Before you go, if you have any queries, we are committed to helping you at the earliest. Visit us at maxlifeinsurance.com. Chat with us. Write to us at maxlifeinsurance.com or call 1-860-120-5577. We assure you, we will be with you at every step of the journey and beyond.